What is up, my dudes? And that one girl just wants to win, win, win. I got you covered, one girl. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. Ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. All right, guys, we are back for another exciting giveaway, and I cannot wait to tell you about this one because this is really cool. Now, as a lot of you know, I've made no disillusion to the fact that I believe that Hogworkz makes some of the best aftermarket parts for Harley Davidson, and I proudly have a fair amount of parts on my bike right now, from my saddlebag liners to my tour pack to my carbon fiber front fender. I think they do an amazing job, and I think they have just so many great things. I highly recommend you go over and check them out. Well, I reached out to Hogworkz. I told them about my toy drive. I told them how I'm trying to raise money. I told them how every dollar goes to buying toys for kids in need. I told them that I do a lot of raffles and giveaways. And I said, hey, you know, if you guys have anything you can offer up to me, that would be absolutely fantastic, just so I can put it on the channel, offer it up to people, try and raise some more money. And they came through with flying colors. And it is absolutely awesome of them. They did not have to do this, just like everybody else who has offered something up. We're not even done all the giveaways, but this is one that I have been really excited to tell you guys about, so let's get into it. Hogworkz is offering up a $250 gift card to the Hogworkz site for any of their products. So if you're looking for bag liners like mine, if you're looking for that carbon fiber front fender, if you're looking for the tour pack, or if you're looking for a new set of headlights and you want to go for something like this Sabertooth here, or if you know you ride a street glide, they have headlights for you as well. There is actually a ton of options on that site. Hell, you don't even have to go with any of this stuff whatsoever. You're looking for a seat, you're looking for like different parts for your bike, you're looking for directionals, you're just looking for LED drop-ins. They have all kinds of great stuff for you. And they have great prices, so $250 is going to be significant when you're going after anything on their site. I can assure you that. Hell, go over to hogworkz.com right now and check yourself. You're going to see that. I don't have to tell you this. You can see it with your own eyes. Prime example is this headlight here. This is called the Sabertooth. There's actually 3 variations of this headlight. You can get it with 2 clear lights, you can get it with 2 gold lights, or you can get it with the clear and the gold like this. These headlights right now on their site are $200 cheaper than their leading competitor. And I'm not going to drop names here. It's a different shirt company. They claim their headlights a little demonic. I'm sure you can figure out which one that is. But this is $200 cheaper. And it is the same headlight pound for pound. Although when I went in and I started looking at some of the specs, this one seems to be brighter. When I compared the other website to this website, compared the lumens, let me tell you, lumens, you need some serious, like, I don't know, college degree in math to understand what they're talking about. But nonetheless, this one seemed to be brighter all the way around, and this one is $200 cheaper than its competitor. And then when you get the gift card, you knock another $250 off that. This is an awesome headlight at a great price either way. And of course, I've made a video about my saddlebag liners. I encourage you to go check that out. I absolutely love those, and I have loved them since day one. I love the fact that they have the stash pouches on there where I can actually keep stuff in there instead of just throwing everything into my saddlebag and hoping I can sort through it later on. I love my tour pack. That thing has been fantastic on longer trips, and it's also been great when I have to, you know, go get something that's a little bit bigger than what will fit in my saddlebags. I love the aggressive look of my carbon fiber front fender. I think that is just fantastic. That was a long overdue upgrade. And quite honestly, there'll be more Hogworkz stuff to come on my bike. I mean, again, I think they are a great company that offers great products. Not to mention something like this, lifetime warranty. That is some confidence right there, where they're giving you a lifetime warranty on a headlight like this. That is awesome. And that's the kind of thing that you can expect from them. They have great customer service. They have great warranties. They have great prices. At this point in time, I'm just being redundant. All right, so how do you enter this contest for the $250 gift card? Well, you go down below, you click on that GoFundMe link, and you donate at least $20. Now, if you donate $60 and above, I will double your entries. So $60, I will give you 6 entries. $100, I'll give you 10 entries. So on and so forth. You do the math, you got this. Now, I mentioned this in a previous video, but GoFundMe has definitely made things a lot harder for something like this. So bear with me for a second. After you make that donation, you're going to get a receipt to your email. It's going to look like this. You're going to click on that receipt, you're going to click on edit, and right there, you're going to be able to leave a comment. In that comment, you are going to put Hogworkz, and then you're going to update it, and that is going to update your donation. So when I see that you have donated at least $20 and I see Hogworkz, I am going to enter you into the raffle to win that $250 gift card. So maybe you can have a headlight or something along those lines. I am going to do the drawing on December 14th, and then I am going to give the winner the gift card. So that's it. That's as easy as it gets. That is, like I said, the GoFundMe part, a little annoying nowadays, but still possible. So, you know, follow those steps. I'll get you entered. But this really is a great deal. It's a great offer. And I've mentioned it before with this toy drive, I have no employees. I take no money. I actually put more money into the pot. So every single dollar raised is going to buying toys for kids. So if you like anything you put into this, or hell, if you don't want to do any of these entries, if you just want to send me $10, do it up. By all means, feel free to throw 10 bucks into the GoFundMe. That is totally cool. Also, this is a grassroots drive. When it first started, I was pulling in about $300. Last year, we pulled in $7,000. I would love to beat that number this year. So I can't do that without you. Please share these videos. I have a couple more raffles that are out there. I have a couple more raffles that are coming up. Make sure you check out the playlist that all of these are in. Share these with friends and family. Share these with people that are looking to help out and maybe win something in the process. This is about as good as it gets. Like, definitely hook a brother up, help out some kids. Let's do this together. Let's beat $7,000 this year. Let's do it. All right. Nonetheless, that's what I've got for you this week. Do you guys have any Hogworkz products on your bikes? Throw it in the comments down below. Let other people know. Have you supported this toy drive? Throw that in the comment down below, especially if you've been here for years previous, especially if you've been one of the winners from years previous. I'd love for you to sound off down below. That'd be great. And keep in mind too, this year, we're actually going to be doing runner-up prizes too. So you may not win this, but you'll win something else. Like, I've got other cool stuff to give away. We have a lot of great vendors that have like really stepped up to help out this year. So there's a lot of prizes to go around. Trust me. Aside from that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that rich uncle you know who's like, oh, I have all this money and I really wish I had some place to spend it. Here, right here. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.